Okay, so for breakfast today, I can feel that I have leaned down a lot. I can feel a lot lighter, okay? But anyway, last night we had the Korean food. I tell you, spend so much money. Then after that, both of us wake up with stomach ache. I tell you, that's why I just like coffee shop food. So stable, nothing's gonna go wrong. $5, $6, you get nice kolo yok peng. You spend $50 over $60 for luncheon meat, army stew, all the cheap Maggie mee things. Still got $50 over and then still got stomach ache some more. But anyway. Breakfast today would be fruits. Okay, because yesterday I ate under very jialat, right? 3 unhealthy meals yesterday. Supposed to be only 2. So I'm having oats also with my awesome new protein powder, which is so delicious. Today I added milk to it. It's so delicious. It's nice.
Like melted ice cream.
It's like melted ice cream. But I really cannot resist, okay? It's Sunday, so I'm gonna eat one long mai kai also, which means there's carbs in there. But this protein, I tell you, protein is so good. No, wow, drink already. It's like 使我精神奕奕，体力充沛，比过 HBM 的美健颜。You know, man, 有效。Yeah, my Chinese very bad lah. I just try my best. Okay, and then no sugar coffee. Today is definitely a workout day. Okay, I missed so many days of working out, and I supposed to do the machine yesterday. I didn't do, so I missed one session. Oh, and our Facebook Live is coming up. Actually, I do have a desire to take out the bottom of my shirt a little bit to show the abs during the Facebook Live, okay? But now that I'm eating quite a lot, I don't know whether I dare to do it now.
So you do on Monday again, then after that you do on Wednesday?
Okay, I'll do that. Alright, so I only did 4 sessions so far. She wants me to do 6 before the live. So I'm imagining if I actually very disciplinedly do it, I think now I can achieve much better results. But I'm human and I want to eat, okay? I want to eat. Bye. Okay, it's lunchtime. As I mentioned, we are going to eat very healthy today. So for lunch, it's going to be all fruits and nothing but fruits. Nothing but fruits at all. Nothing at all but fruits. Nothing but fruits. What's this? No, this is just something else. Okay, this is just something else. This is just Maggie mee! Maggie mee! This is my wife's Zhao Pai dish. That's why she always cooks Maggie mee for me.
I'm not proud of you.
Actually, it's not true. She can cook super well, okay? So she may be a businesswoman, but she can, I don't know what's that Chinese thing. Go into the kitchen, can do business, and she can also... You know the Chinese saying? Anyway, that's for lunch. While we are watching Zack Snyder's 4-hour-long Justice League. Oh yeah! I've been waiting to watch this for a long time.喝吧，快点喝吧 I want to get back to my movie. First you drink me first.
Because you're a sucker.
Ayo, I forgot to film dinner. So dinner was sweet and sour pork rice. I didn't work out. Whole day I was having diarrhea. Yeah, my butthole is it's like as though I'm paying for my butthole the whole day. And I had protein shake because it's so delicious. I had to have it with dinner. The casein, and there's this crazy boy over here who just refused to let go. So I don't know what to do, but my butthole is going to secrete some diarrhea already. So Jack's going to get some of it right now. You ready? Tonight I feel so angry. I just feel so angry now. I feel so angry.